Hello, my name is Kairat. I am from Kazakhstan. I'm having a beard transport procedure at this clinic. The name of the clinic is HairNeva. Why I decided to make a beard transplant? It's because I have a patchy areas on my beard and I want to make it more filled, more dense. And I made research and I found this clinic which is supervised by Associated Professor Dr. Guncel Öztürk. And he has very experienced team and the clinic has a very good environment. The people are very kind, very hospitable.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm a little bit worried, but more excited, and I'm motivated myself by the result. And I hope I will get a good result. And I wish you all to get this experience as me if you need this procedure as well. Thank you for your attention.